So this was one example for integer type variable. Let me define a floating point variable. So float var2 is equals to 75.32. So now here the syntax is exactly similar. The only things that have changed is instead of defining a variable of integer type, I am using the float keyword, which allows me to use decimal point numbers. I cannot assign decimal type numbers to the integer variables. Now if I try to print the value for var2, I'll save the code and run this one more time. So okay, what I'll do, I'll just give endl over here, so I'll get the output into two different lines. Now as you can see, for the first variable, that is var1, I'm getting 50, and for var2, that is for floating type, I'm getting a 75.32 as the output. So what else I can do is I can take user input for the variables. So what I'll do, I'll just write integer and a1. This is just an integer type variable and I'm not assigning any value to this. And here in the next line I'll write a1 is equals to cin. If I save this code and let me run it one more time, and I'm getting an option to store a value. So